Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset or remove your Windows sign-in. So the first step you have to do is press the start menu, type in settings, and open the settings window. So here you'll see on your left hand side the accounts page. Let's go ahead and click on it. Then let's go ahead and continue to sign in options. And then here, depending on what you have set up, you can choose to remove it. So here I have a pin set up, and as you can see, I can remove it by clicking on this button. If this option is grayed out, that might be because you have this option enabled. Here under additional settings, there is what we call improved security, which only allows the Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device. So if that's on, that might be why you don't see this option or are unable to click it. So let's go ahead and click on remove. It's going to ask for your password. And there we go. As you can see, it now says setup instead of change or remove. So that means we've successfully reset or remove our Windows sign-in. So that's all for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.